How to change the call screen on your iPhone running iOS 17. If you're tired of the same old call screen when a friend, colleague, or family member is calling you and you want to customize the photo that appears on a specific contact when they're calling you, the font, and other things, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch this video until the very end so you can learn how to change your call screen. The first step that you have to do is to check if you're running iOS 17. Apple introduced this feature with their newest software update, so make sure that you're running iOS 17 or newer. We will open the phone application on our device and then go over to our Contacts section. You then want to select a contact from your contacts list on which you want to change the call screen. I'll select this contact, and I will then tap on this Contact Photo and Poster. The contact card will appear for your contact, and there are two ways of changing this. You can swipe and get to this page where we can create a brand new contact photo and poster. They will give us an option to take a photo directly from our iPhone's camera. We can upload one from the Photos app, we can add a memoji, or we can simply add a monogram. But if you just want to customize this a little bit, we can go back to our main poster, then tap on this Customize button. And we have an option to customize the contact photo or the poster. Since we're changing our call screen, we will select this poster option. You can now swipe if you want to add some filters over your photo for that contact. Or if you want to change the photo for the poster, tap on this little image icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. That's going to open your photo gallery where you have a couple of different sections with featured photos, live photos, and people from your photo gallery. But you can tap on All if you want to open all of the different photos from your photo gallery and then select any photo that you like. Once we change the photo for our contact, we can customize the font and color of the contact name. Simply tap on his or her name, and this menu will pop up where we can select the thickness, the font, the color, and all that other stuff. So you can take your time here and customize all of the different things in here, and when you're finished, simply tap on Done. Now we can continue, and you can also customize your contact photo, but I'll leave it like this since I don't want to customize this stuff. So I'll skip this step, and now my call screen is changed on my iPhone. When this specific contact calls me, it will display this photo that we chose. You just have to make sure that you're on iOS 17 because this will not work on older versions of iOS. If you want more similar videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor and check out the iPhone playlist from the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.